What if every bad timing lead in your CRM was automatically monitored and re-engaged at the right moment with a personalized AI follow-up? Hello, I'm Rahul Joshi. In this video, I'll show you a fully automated re-engagement system that scans HubSpot daily, identifies postponed leads, generates human-like follow-up emails using GPT-4o, drafts them in Gmail. Step 1. Daily automated trigger every 24 hours. This trigger runs the workflow automatically every 24 hours. It ensures consistent monitoring of leads without manual execution. Step 2. Fetch recent leads from HubSpot. This node pulls up to 20 recent leads from HubSpot. It retrieves key activity fields like last contacted date, last sales activity, account creation date, and lead status. Step 3. Filter leads marked as bad timing. This condition checks if the lead status contains bad timing. Only leads previously marked as bad timing move forward. Step 4. Split leads into batches. This node processes leads one at a time. It ensures personalized AI email generation per lead, prevents system overload, and keeps execution clean. Step 5. Generate AI re-engagement email body. This AI agent writes a short, natural follow-up email. It uses lead context like status, last contacted date, and account creation timestamp. Step 6. Azure OpenAI model execution. This step uses the GPT-4o model via Azure OpenAI. It powers the AI email generation agent. Step 7. Parse and structure AI output. This code node safely parses the AI response. It extracts subject, body, recipient email, and owner details. Step 8. Create Gmail draft email. This node creates a draft follow-up email in Gmail. The draft includes the AI-generated subject and body. Step 9. Notify lead owner in Slack. This node sends a Slack notification to the lead owner. It alerts them that a previously bad timing lead may be ready for re-engagement. Step 10. AI error handling and payload creation. If the AI email generation fails, this node builds an error payload. It captures lead name, email, and error message. Step 11. Slack alert for AI draft failure. If email generation fails, a Slack alert is sent immediately. The notification includes lead details and error message. This is how structured automation turns dormant leads into renewed opportunities. If you value intelligent, execution-ready systems, subscribe. I'll see you in the next build.